Dito na kami. Mag-walking tayo kasi ang ganda ng weather today.
Come on, Jesse. Come on, Sally.
Dinala namin yung aso. Hi, Zozo. Oops.
What's up, buddy?
Oh.
Jesse, move.
We need to walk, not picking
Move.
some stones in here.
Hey, we got sticks we can get. Watch out, buddy.
Yeah. Excited ng bata, oh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come here. Hold mommy's hand. You wanna check down there?
So yeah, it is for creek access.
No
by
fishing from
canoe
shoreline.
or kayak only.
No swimming or wading.
Canoe would be
Area
pretty
close is
cool.
dark.
Fishing from shoreline. Oh, so if you're in a canoe, you can
Walking in the trail man ang aking baby.
You hear me?
Huh?
So if we get a canoe and we bring it up here,
Oh,
we can go fishing up here. That's a big
It
piece,
said
son.
no fishing. That's too big, baby.
Listen, it said no fishing from shoreline.
Oh, here. Let's
if
go
you're
get
out
the
in the water,
tiny
you can
sticks. Here. Here's your sticks. Leave the big one. That's too big for you. Okay, leave that one. Leave that one. Now put your eyes.
Mom want to came. She don't call Mo get in shape and shit.
She don't have any desire to go out anymore.
You never get that or
Hi, Zozo. Did you like it here? Ay, naku. Nakakamiss, guys. Makita ng tubig. I mean, ang tagal ko na ito. Mga 3 years na ako. Pero, minsan lang talaga kami makapaglakad-lakad ng ganito. Ang ganda ng view, oh, mga tubig. Siguro, mag-fishing. Gonna go fish, Jessie. Fish. Mag-check it out lang kami dito para sa pwede ba kami mag-fish dito next time. So you wanna swim? So Jessie, you get some fish? Yeah? You want mommy to?
I don't know how you launch them, but they have to paddle on out there or something.
Yeah, fish? Catch a fish? I don't think there's a fish in here.
Near a rock.
Oh, what is that? May bridge sa taas kayo, guys. Yan. May doon, kalsada doon sa taas. Nakapaglakad na kami dito last time. Itong isa, maliit pa. Kaya buhat-buhat. Nilagay doon sa carrier. Okay, don't go to the water. We're gonna get wet. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Jesse, get a rock. Jesse, get a rock and throw it in the water.
Look. Look.
Here, throw it in the water.
Throw in the water. Yay!
Oh.
Yay, you're making a circle wave. Yay!
Throw it out further. Really, throw it out real far. Throw it out far in the middle. Get a little rock. Get a little rock.
There you go. Careful. Okay, stop picking. Come on, go get daddy. See a car? Oh no, there's a truck over there. It's a truck. Let's go. Stop picking sticks, my goodness. Sticks is everywhere. Look, daddy's already over there. And we're still here. Yes. Come on, let's go. Don't touch the dog. Don't touch the dog. Yeah, don't touch the dog. Hey, don't touch the dog. Look, daddy's already over there. Look, come on, go get daddy. See, daddy, wake me up. Wake me up.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go here, this way. This way. Ayan yung kanilang walking trails, guys. Mm-hmm. It's a river otter trail 1.5 miles. Okay, let's go. Stop picking up sticks. Ay naku. Minsan na makapaglakad-lakad pero ang ganda dito. Parang nasa Pinas lang ako. Doon sa may bukid. Yay! No, I think that's the dog. That's the dog we saw the last time.
It is, but I don't know how he's acting on so here running Jesse.
No, Jesse tried to get it to him, but he just walk away, ignore it. Look at those flowers.
None of them pretty.
Yeah, the wildflowers.
Deer footprints. Do you see them?
I don't know what's their footprints.
Their tracks. I got hooves. That's the hooves that are jamming in the ground. That's where they were running. So.
Wait us up, baby.
I should have brought my knife with me. You know, should have known better than come out in the fucking woods completely alone. That's stupid. Kind of so every one of my fucking creepy pastas ends and starts. I mean.
There's a bunch of sticks. Hi, Zozo. Are you happy? Zozo like it here? Hmm.
Girls at home, huh? Her inner beast is coming out. She's gonna come out and jump out in the woods and go hunting, aren't you, Zoe?
You walk in the trail. No, no, no. You're not going in there.
Jesse, stay on the trail, son.
Yeah. Last time we went here, me and Daddy's carrying you, because you can't walk yet.
Shit, me and Daddy. You think Daddy? I was you carrying for a total of about 5 minutes, and you go, oh, I can sit on my back.
Uh-oh. Watch me. Here. You need to wait, Mommy. Hey, hey, hey. Careful, careful. Look, there's a bridge over there. It's a bridge. It's a bridge. Yay. You're gonna walk in a bridge. Oh, look at that. There's a purple one here. Did you see that? Purple. Come on, walk. Walk.
Come on, Zoe.
Guys, sapa.
It's a bridge, baby. Come on. Here you go.
Ito ang gusto ko kasi
Come on, pup.
nature talaga.
Come on, puppy. Come on, Zoe. You can do it, Jojo. Come on, Jojo. Come on, Jojo.
Okay, here. Follow Mommy. Oh, look, there's another yellow one here. So nice.
Look at the wild onion right there, and a big wild onion. Look at that.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, we have those big onions in there in the house.
Oh, look at that one. Check that one out. You see that one, Jane?
Huh?
It's yellow.
Yeah, I saw that. Look at this.
Zoe,
Daming,
get over here. Zoe, get over here. Over here, Zoe.
look guys, daming flowers dito naligaw. Oh, ang ganda. Yung parang ano tawag.
Flowers.
This is like a,
Yeah.
what is that? What is that flower again that we plant on the side of the house? In the front?
Oh, speaking of that, I need to look into getting some roses.
Yeah.
Oh, shite. Yeah, look how clear that water is right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you just want a canoe, it's fine. It's the water, the current is the...
I just wonder how big of a canoe you can get, because I'll probably get a canoe that me and you could fit in.
Yes.
Or maybe one other person, three-person canoe. Keep it pretty lightweight.
Look at
We can go,
that.
we can go out there in
Jesse?
the deep parts and fish.
Wait, Mommy
Shane.
up. Look
I
at
can
that,
do
guys.
that.
Ang
That's
ganda.
just,
Oh.
we've got a net for that. I can just, all that is drop it. You don't have to cast when you're out there in the water. Just drop your bait into the side, pull it up, and then use your net to scoop it out. Take a couple fish home. How do you gut them and fillet them for us and cook them up?
Yeah. I like to go camping and get some fish.
You just show me. You just put your fingers in the throat, be like, oh, and rip their guts out. Like, oh, here we go, ready to go. Oh, look at those.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
It looks like the flower that we have in the
Look at that
front
flower.
yard.
It's like different colors.
That's what I told you.
It's like blue and purple.
It looks like the flowers we have in the front. Gonna wear you out later, baby. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
He's so happy. This way, this way.
Jesse, listen, baby. Stay on the trail.
You easily get lost, Jesse.
Look at the ground. You'll see the trail. It's the part where it looks like it's all worn out, like it's a road in the forest.
Yay! Oh, so the roots is like started bushing out now.
Oh,
Huh?
that's water.
That's a water, yeah. It's a water over there.
There's more water.
I'm sure there's a lot of fish in there. Oh, slow down.
Careful, buddy. Take it slow. You'll fall down now. Jesse, slow down.
Slow
Jesse,
down,
no
slow
running.
down.
You're gonna fall.
Okay. Hold mommy's hand. May cabin doon guys. I think it's nice to do swimming in that thing over there.
Yeah, sure.
I don't think there's a gator.
Deep as fuck. I don't know, alligators. It's just deep and slimy. Probably not super clean. Probably got some bacteria and stuff in it.
Like what?
And that's like their #1 rule, pretty much. Like no swimming or wading in the water.
Oh, what is that?
Woodpecker.
That's a very big
What's
noise.
this?
Woodpecker.
There's some big spots right here. That's a good spot right back here. Biggest spot to fish, probably right there.
Yeah.
Real deep waters. There's definitely some fish down there. I just don't know what fish would be in this river.
Different kind of fish since it's the running water.
Well, I know there's different kind of fish, Jane. I don't mean that, but it's still gonna be a certain kind. There's only gonna be certain kinds. I think
If
we'll
it's
find out
lake,
last
yeah, it's certain kinds.
You won't find a giant tuna in the damn river, or what the hell are them big old fish called? They're bigger than us.
I don't know.
Groupers. You won't find a giant grouper.
Grouper?
In the water. Go, honey.
Come on. Yay! Where are you going? This way. This way. Stay there, stay there.
That's a water. Good. Come on, Daddy.
Come on, Daddy. There's a water. Oh,
Come on, Zoe.
careful. Here. Hey,
Come on,
hey, this
Come on,
way.
Zoe.
This way.
Come on, honey. Come on.
We're not happy yet, but you're already dirty. Hey, sarap maligo dito. Oh. Dami sigurong isda dito ba?
Those are dunes.
Hmm?
Someone's shoes just walked in a bunch of mud. I don't know if that's yours or what. There's a muddy feet print back here.
Oh, maybe other people walk.
Okay.
You know, it rained the other day.
Well, it looked fresh though. So, I don't know.
Maybe yesterday.
Oh shit. Dip in the trail right there. Oh, yeah, big old trees in there. Thing. Look at that.
It's
There's
already
four trees
there.
right
The last time we went here.
But there's some fish living in the trees. Come on, Zoe. Zoe, come on.
So we're tired. She's gonna be having a nice sleep later.
Bush. The bush.
Yeah.
Bush.
Jessie, look. Look. Hi. Sissy. It's a video, not a video call with Sissy.
He's like, oh no, it's just on the other end.
Yeah, Sissy's gonna walk this place next time.
There's a good.
She's already here.
That tree fell down.
Sissy would like it.
Some right here. It's like a damn beaver dam right there on the ground. But where it flooded and washed all them trees up here. Crazy. That's exactly what happened there. Look at it. It's where it flooded up there, Jane.
Hmm?
Washed all them trees and the breeze right up there was where it flooded up here and it got stuck in that tree in there.
Oh, there's a poo-poo.
Oh no, poop. No, you about stepped right in it.
Oh my gosh, it's a big, what is that flood over here? Look.
Yeah, I'm saying it probably flooded all the way up in here. Yeah, it did. They don't have to clear the path back off. It eroded some of the pathway. This is part of the path and it's flooded with debris. It's all sticks that would have been normally floating around in the river.
Hmm.
Look at that one. It's good. Look at that shit, man. Look out there.
Yeah. That needs to be cut.
That's good. Fix that. Spiders and snakes love to fucking nest in that kind of shit. Those are infested with it.
Yeah. It's another.
Come on, Zoe. Another good, Zoe. Come on. Come on.
Mm. Ooh. What, are you afraid? Going down.
Oh,
Yeah.
A witch.
Huh? What is it? A bit. What?
Wait.
Huh? Are you tired? You want to drink some water? Huh? You want to drink some water? You want to sit for a little bit? Hmm?
Come on, Zoe. Come on, Zoe.
Careful. Careful. I think Jess is like tired.